Are you looking to leverage Facebook and Instagram ads to promote your business? Maybe you've tried Facebook ads in the past and you're either not sure you've got things set up correctly or you're not sure if the results you're getting are really good. I've been running Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns for over 10 years. And what I've seen a lot of times when I'm working with clients, either with small or large spend budgets, is that they're often not sure if they've got the right creative, if they're hitting the right audiences, if they're getting the best results. Sometimes I'm working with clients who have been doing Google ads as an example. And the way Google ads and Facebook ads work is quite different. You see, with Google, people go to Google because there's intent. They're actually going there to search for something. They're looking to solve a problem. They're looking for a solution, right? They'll type something in, say gardening. Well, when they do that, we as the advertiser, we know that they're looking for something. And with Google, you can target specific keywords. And you know that somebody is ready to make a decision. They're ready to take an action. With Facebook, it's very different. You see, with Facebook, it's more invasive. People aren't there on Facebook because they're looking for gardening or a new home or to buy candy. It's very different. They're there because they want to be on Facebook to interact with their friends. So when we advertise on Facebook, first we need to make sure we're reaching the right audience. Secondly, we need to make sure that we have creative that's compelling, that's going to stop people to scroll, right? Because when they're on Facebook or Instagram, they're there and they're scrolling through their feeds. Well, to capture someone's attention, you've got to stand out. You've got to make sure that they stop, they notice your ad, and they take an action. And you have to be really creative with that. And that's something a lot of companies struggle with. So I commonly refer to Facebook advertising and Instagram advertising as invasive, right? It's disruptive advertising because we want to disrupt what somebody's doing in order to get their attention and then get them to act on that. And it's a lot more difficult than it is with Google. We have to sometimes show ads more often or over a longer period of time. You have to build up brand recognition with your audience. You have to build up that know, like, and trust. And that takes, oftentimes, it takes a lot of impressions. It also takes a lot of different kind of impressions. And that's why we always like to try different style of ads. We might try some ads where it's a carousel, where you're seeing multiple images. Sometimes we'll try a video ad. Sometimes we'll try engagement ads where we're taking a post and we're just trying to get people to interact with a post we've done on Facebook or Instagram so that they'll want to be warmer with us. They'll want to leave a comment. They'll want to share the post. They'll want to take some sort of an action. These are the different strategies that creative Facebook advertising experts take. These are the type of strategies that work because it warms an audience up. It gets that audience ready so that whenever they do see an ad, they do see a promotion for your company, they do see some special offer, that audience will be ready to act on it. And what does that mean? That means that your ads are going to perform better. So while Google advertising might be a short fix in terms of, you can start and stop easily, Facebook advertising is usually a longer process. So I do commonly tell clients, listen, we need at least 5 to 6 months of ongoing regular advertising to warm that audience up, to nurture them, to give them the right campaign and the right ads going. And that's when you will see responses to your advertising. So what we focus on at Going Social is understanding who your audience is. We want to make sure we have a clear understanding so that when we look at who to target the ads to, we're hitting the right people. The last thing you want to do is be spending money showing your ad to people who have absolutely no interest in it. They're not going to take an action. They're not going to purchase from you. So you don't want to waste your money there. It's better to spend money to show the ads directly to the people who are ready and willing and who are your market, right? Those are the people that are going to take an action. We look at the ad creative as a big piece of this marketing puzzle. We're constantly helping our clients create different visuals, whether they're images or videos. And we want to make sure we test different creative both with those visuals as well as headlines and ad copy, we want to see what's going to get the best reaction. We want to see what's going to get your audience to stand out and take action. So we've got, targeting the right audience, and we've got creating and testing the right creative with that audience. Those are two key elements that we go through and we're constantly innovating on for our clients. Another thing we focus on with our clients is helping to create a really compelling call to action. Now, what's a call to action? Well, sometimes some people refer to it as the button that's on the ad, whether it says learn more, call now, get offer, that kind of thing. But sometimes we also use calls to action within the ad creative because that's what's going to encourage somebody to take an action. We've seen a very big difference in testing, whether we use a call to action or don't use a call to action. And using a call to action can make a really big difference for the success of your campaigns. One of the other things that makes our company stand out from others when it comes to Facebook and Instagram advertising is that we're constantly reviewing and monitoring the ad campaigns. Some people will create a campaign and just leave it and let it run, and that's not the best strategy. You always have to be looking at signals within the ad performance to see if it's working well or not. How many people is your ad reaching? That's how many people are actually seeing it. And how many people click on it? How many times are they seeing that ad? All of these factors can affect how the ad will perform with the algorithm. If people are seeing the ad too many times, well, eventually they're going to start to ignore it. If they're targeting the right audience, we'll know because people aren't clicking on that ad. They're not engaging with it. They're not taking the actions we want them to take. So if you don't monitor the ad campaigns and these results aren't great, you're going to be wasting your money. And we never want to do that for our clients. We want to, make them really happy and be getting the best results for the lowest ad spend. So we're constantly looking at the ads, looking at the performance of the ads and seeing what can we do to tweak and change the next campaign? How can we improve on what we've already done? And that's a big point of the success we have with Facebook and Instagram advertising. So it's these four elements plus a whole lot more that make up the process that we go through with our clients for their Facebook and Instagram ads to help ensure that we're hitting the right audience, that we're getting ads created in the right way so that clients take action, and that we're not overspending budget, that we're getting great results for our clients. That's the process we go through, and that's why our clients love working with us. So if you're looking for more traffic to your website, if you want more leads for your business, if you're looking to build more engagement on your posts within Facebook and Instagram, I encourage you to give us a call. Let's have a chat. Let's talk about what your advertising goals are. And let's talk about what solutions we can come up with to help you achieve those goals with Facebook and Instagram ads. That's what we love to focus on. We're very goal oriented. We look at what are the goals for your business, and then we look at what are the possible solutions within Facebook and Instagram that can help you achieve those goals. So once again, my name is Lowell Brown. I'm from Going Social, and I look forward to speaking to you soon about how we can help you with your Facebook and Instagram advertising.